ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan postemi A bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakambanya kol hakini ke number harum.
Rengkat lang bat ka perthaihi berok kawai ka Soil and Water Conservation ka Wkhd Hills District haga santarik ujelio arjar arpsau kala Rakhe ya ka World Environment Day arjar arpsau halor ka theme ka baong land restoration, desertification and drought resilience. Hagani ka program bala penlong ha Wat Liu Long Eastern Wkhd Hills District u Dr. Joram Beda IAS ubadai u Commissioner and Secretary ka Soil and Water Conservation jong Sorgar Jilla ulawan banlong kum ukongsan bat ulaya simentaru ban tung ya gitan riding. Layo ru ya ka jingmait pang naga Director of Soil and Water Conservation ba Shen ka Department kan sa pentrekam ya ka project balatip kum ka restoration of degraded land and water sources conservation hagi santali gishnong hapo ka Eastern Wkhd Hills bat ru hagi santali gishnong ha Wkhd Hills ban wan rabiang ya ka jingjernyam jongki lum bala selen.
Hendak manusia tu bah hapo ka jingalam jong i Honorable Chief Minister Isa Konrad Sangma ngaran kat i Commissioner ngila attend cibun teli ki meeting bat i CM bat i ong bah ka por bat i lek setura tak helikopter nang te na Apasolong i ong hadin bapoi sene sakmat jong kane kamai lang i dah sering video ru deh itu ki por march bakal air ke jur bat kane ka thang khlau ka jubor bhas kini ki than jong phi ya supe jak ta video ba iring ma iti i kumbala deh itu ki than reach up sa Rajasthan. Idai su bandai kata gari khasi jongi. Kalom kala selen namar bala dat thang klau khandau ru kala ing ti ong bangi na kalyang jong kasol idai ban lei ai ban wan ra byang ka jingjengam yakini ki lom ki baselen. Ho shisha ngai gadai ka bashisha. Asakhi kata pangawan mena nai na shlong sene kini ki lom ki wa jong phi ki baselen lut. Kumbala ong itu iba nakapro kaneka kur mau marbai i ong ba lai husna menchua kini ki luam chane ki don tim don se ndai namar bajing pa brai jongi ki khon benre mila pom lo de ki ding mila kamai pisana ka ba pom ki ding bandi ki ding menta kalawai jon kaneka generation menta ki yo i bagini ki luam ki la selen te asokumen ba lemba ka jeng I mention ko jang Chief Minister na kanyang the department ila ya one survey hopefully ki jaka santali ha Eastern West but santali ki shnong hapo West bangin pentrekam no kumno banwan ra yang sa sisin ka jingjerngam yakini kilom ki basalan menta.
If you don't take the necessary steps, we'll also soon be Saudi Arabia. So we'll have to take all the steps. The kind of activities, the mandate, the business rules as per which the soil and water conservation is functioning is very, very relevant to Meghalaya because currently as a mountainous ecosystem, being a very fragile ecosystem, we are facing all these challenges, that is soil degradation, deforestation and desertification. These are the imminent threats to our state and our ecosystem. Meghalaya, though it's very rich in biodiversity, we have constant land use changes, land degradation caused by extensive agriculture, and deforestation and unmanaged urbanization. These factors are causing a lot of challenges to the existing structure in the state. Globally, it's said that about 1 football field equivalent of soil is degraded in every 5 seconds. though in Meghalaya we have not sort of accounted for it in a scientific manner, but NISAC and many institutions have already carried out piecemeal studies in which it is an established fact that Meghalaya also suffers from severe soil degradation. As a result, I am told by many of the divisional officers that in many parts of Meghalaya, especially in the Khasi Jaintia Hills, though we want to do afforestation, there is no surface soil. So that is one of the very important factors that is holding us back from going for a very massive afforestation, which is the need of the hour. I would also take opportunity to emphasize that a healthy soil is a prerequisite for a healthy ecosystem, and that is something we always miss. And when it comes to agriculture, we always tend to overload our soil with chemical fertilizers without having any vision for the future, and we want immediate gains. Also, the chemical treatment of soil and the degradation which is causing the soil, there is a lot of reduction in the moisture retention. As a result, agricultural productivity it reduces over the time. So it's very important today that we all resolve as officers and as citizens, as responsible citizens, that we all take steps not only for afforestation but also to save our soil and keep it healthy.
I'm very happy to hear that from the department side, they're going to take up a very big project here in our district, including Wkhd, in order to bring back the forest cover to these areas which has been, become barren due to deforestation and forest burning and commercial use of forest products. Random, in fact. There's a very random approach to all these things, including, sand mining, stone mining, gold mining. It is really affecting our areas this side. A few years back, when I was in the public health engineering, Shillong Peak, what the Khasis call is the source of that, the water, which they call it Khandai Umdi, Khandai Umta means the nine Khandai means it's like a big number in Khasi, a generalized kind of number. So it's a main source of many of the sources of water of Khasi Hills. So what happened is, in that year, one day early in the morning, my field staff came to me and said, "Sir, the water sources from that Shillong Peak catchment area has all dried up." It has really shocked me, and I had to go immediately and visit the place and to face the reality that all the water sources from Shillong Peak has dried up. So unfortunately, we had meetings with all the water supply departments, including Shillong Municipal Board, and what steps we should take. So today, from that time onwards till today, I feel that there's a little bit of improvement in the forest cover of that catchment area of Shillong Peak, and so far we have not heard any more of that. And maybe that the change, the attitude towards how to bring about that change, that has to come to each and every one of us. Another project which we have experienced was in Mausunram. Mausunram has got a very, they call it like Cherpunji. It's a winter desert. Like during winter, they don't have even drinking water supply. So what we have done from the department side, we have, the catchment areas above the existing water sources. We have created additional barriers to tap the water. So those water sources from those dams, they in turn recharge the main source of the dam. So it's a sustainability project. So today, Mausunram doesn't have water shortage during winters. So total there are 5 sources for Mausnura village. So these are the kind of things that, at the local level, which we can do by planting trees and by taking up sustainability efforts. So I'm grateful that from the Soil and Water Conservation Department, they're taking up this initiative here in these areas of this village and the surrounding villages. And I'm sure that with the participation of active participation of one and all, we can bring about that drastic change here at the local level. Like as Madam has mentioned earlier, each and every one of us has to play a role so that we can really save the environment. Today, recently, when we didn't have the rains, everyone was crying for rain. In fact, people were praying that the rain should come. So this is one of the things. I feel that even when we start anything, any project, when we plant a tree also, I think we should, deep inside us, we should pray so that, the tree stays, the environment has been protected, and we all play an active role to not just to plant trees, but to protect that, whatever we have done. And I'm sure that with the kind of awareness which the elder from the Marwai clan and the earlier speakers have said, creating awareness is very, very important, apart from just taking action on the ground.